Welcome to Marine Tech Hub. Today I like to thank all my subscribers all over the world for subscribing me and making my YouTube channel Marine Tech Hub to the highest level. So I would like to tell a little bit more about my channel. I have been running this channel for the last 5 years. Last 4 years the channel was free. Now I have come to a level where I got the membership. So membership level 1, 2, 3. The level membership 5, which is rupees 3999. In this channel, where I am be giving you all the videos for 1 year, plus I'll be helping you for all the troubleshooting at real time from anywhere. So lot of superintendents, chief engineers and all engineers are calling me for troubleshooting. I am very happy. It was my dream that I should have a channel like this where I'll be able to help people and shipping companies to save time and money. So you can always choose whichever membership you want, but level 5 I'll give you all the help, and online training I'm giving you online training for rupees 1499. Plus if you want to subscribe, you can pay me. The bank details are here. If you want to pay through bank, and if you want to pay through Paytm, you can scan the QR code. So I'll very much thankful to all the subscribers again, and have a nice day. Thank you. Today I'll explain you about the emergency cargo pump make Markflex and what went wrong. While the routine check, we found a lot of metal particles in the hydraulic return filter. So this is the hydraulic tank and this is the filter. So the metal particles you can see a lot of metal particles. So there was some problem running the hydraulics emergency cargo pump, and we saw the metal here. So we started investigating the pump. This is the emergency cargo pump. Similar pump is also there for the Framo. It's a similar pump, and we opened the impeller side. This is the make of the company where the pump is. We open the cover here. This is how it is. You can see once I remove the impeller, this is the key. The hydraulic motor is here. We will open all these bolts from here. Once I remove, you can see this is the drive shaft and this is the hydraulic motor here. You can see the metal particles which has come from the wall plate and the piston shoe. This is the emergency cargo pump hydraulic motor. So the function of this also I will show you how it works, so that you will understand. In this you will have the wall plate and the swash plate, piston, everything is there. I will show you the graphics on that. This is the hydraulic motor. This is the serrations here. You can see I am opening the top cover here. Once I open, this is the wall plate. You can see there are a lot of rub marks on this. This is the particles which has come out. You can see all the metal particles broken. This is the shoe here, all broken. You can see. So since it was broken because maybe something, the bolts were loose, so this had happened. You can see the piston slots here. You can see it's all broken here. You can see this. This is the piston shoe which will guide the piston. This is the pump here. We have opened all the things and we are going to send it to the maker for the metal reduction, and any defects if it is there, they will be telling us the report. So I will be showing you more details of the function. If you have any message, you can send me. Thank you. In this picture you can see the fixed displacement actual piston motor. So I will run the graphics for you. You can see the various components here. So this is the wall plate, and we have got the piston shoe, swash plate, the main shaft. I will be showing you, this is the swash plate, this is the piston shoe, and this is the guide, this is a spring over here, this is the main shaft. You can see the plate, this is the cylinder barrel, this is the piston and piston shoes, this is the swash plate. So the main components are here. This will be acting against the spring, and the hydraulic oil will, when it comes, it pushes the thing and rotates the thing. You can see this is the high pressure side, hydraulic oil inlet side. Once it pushes, this will rotate because the whole pressure is acting on this. This is again the serration. You can see the serration here. This is the main shaft. So once the hydraulic pressure is there, it starts rotating it. So here what happened was some bolts were loose, and all these bronze shoes were broken, and the hydraulic motor was not working. So whenever you are looking for taking rounds, you make sure that the return filters are okay and there is no noise in the hydraulic system. So most important thing in this emergency cargo pump is, once you stop the system, make sure you depressurize the line and before you take the pipes out. Otherwise next time you may have a difficulty in putting the pipes because the hydraulic oil is already in the system. So for reversing, if you put the oil in the reverse direction, it will start rotating in the reverse direction. So this is how the hydraulic motor is working. So if you have any doubt regarding this, you can always message me. I hope you understood. If there is any leakage, the oil will get collected over here. So this is how the whole system works. If you have any doubt,